Where did you go? Where did you leave me, my love?
Yo, 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 yo. Welcome, TV Inc. family. It's your boy Theo back in your space with another one. Y'all already know what time it is, man. So with that being said, let's get to it. Welcome, TV Inc. family. Today, I'm going to be showcasing a few big cases in one of the right places. Yeah, I said one of the right places. Yeah, because you already know what's going on over here at TV Inc. So with that being said, feast your eyes on something that's considered a big factor among those who are really pushing show actors.
He really thinks
Get
they
it?
can hear his stupid ass. I hate when someone think they are in control, not understanding that we are in control. Shut up, you damn mutt. You always fucking barking, don't know what's going on. Fucking master, or daddy, or whatever you call him, he don't even know what the fuck going on. He thinking everyone can hear him. He's doing all that talking, can't no one hear shit he's saying. I love showing these fucking earthlings who's in control. I knew you was gonna show him, boss. I knew it. I just knew you was gonna show him. Shut up. You always talking. I told you in the last video. Let me take care of my business, and you just sit back and watch your master do some of his bestest work on this fool here, Theo, who they labeled a king. No one can hear his dumb ass. He's really talking. Stupid son of a bitch. Excuse my French, youngsters. Better yet, fuck you. If you heard what you heard, it is what it is. Who cares? I like the way you said that, boss. Say it again. Shut up. I told you, and I'm not gonna tell you again. I'm sick of you playing with me. Now this dumbass, nobody has went in the house and he hasn't came back. Flawless victory. Now who gets the last laugh? Oh, he's back. And he got another piglet. He still hasn't noticed yet. I'm looking right at his dumb ass. He's supposed to be a angel, a king, or whatever the fuck they say he was. Who cares? I'm ready to defeat him and show him who's the greatest of all time. Look at the background. He don't even see us. Damn fool.
Bill, stare hard, huh? And you just gonna keep staring?
You sure look like a master of rain.